Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
In this week's episode, the bad weather continues as yet another port day is canceled. But that's okay, because today we're going to take you along to the world-famous Squid Ink aboard Virgin Voyages, where both Colleen and myself get some epic tattoos. So come along as we take you on board Virgin Voyages Scarlett Lady.
Hey, how are you doing this morning?
Very good, sir. How are you?
Can I do a matcha latte?
Matcha latte. Nathaniel?
Yeah. Great, thank you.
Good morning, navigators. Hope you're having a great day. So today is day number 3 aboard Scarlet Lady. Had to think about that for a moment. Gotta get that caffeine going right now. As you know from our last episode, if you were watching, we missed Key West. We had a sea day yesterday. Today we were supposed to be heading to Nassau. Don't think that's gonna happen. And let me show you a little video to maybe explain why. Yeah, so that was from, I did a little tour today with my, as you know, I have a little travel advisory, nywtravel.com. Plug. Yeah, we got to go up on Richard's rooftop this morning. As you can tell by that video, it is really windy out there. Today's gonna be another day at sea, no big deal. And as we've been hyping up, we are gonna be getting some tattoos today. But first, we're gonna have breakfast or brunch in the wake. So you can check out that episode of Navigate the Plate, where we're gonna show you both dinner and brunch. So if you haven't, I don't know if it's gonna be before this video or after this video, but go check that out. And right now I am just chilling out. Colleen's catching some Z's. So we're gonna grab her soon, get up and get this day going. All right, keep it right there.
Well, good morning, Colleen.
Hi, good morning navigators.
Well, how'd you sleep last night?
I actually slept really good, really well. I've heard some complaints about the mattress being too firm, but I guess you can also request a little mattress pad to give you some cushion. But honestly, I love it. I slept like a rock. I dreamt all the good things. I feel refreshed and ready to go for our another sea day.
So I already told the gang that we're not going to Nassau. Are you disappointed about not going to Nassau?
A little side story. We actually have some maps at home where we pin all the different islands we've been to. So I was excited to get another pin on the map, but honestly, with all the cruising that we're starting to do, I think we'll be able to make it to Nassau before we know it.
Yeah, but now we get to run for breakfast at the brunch at the wake.
I'm excited, especially after having dinner there last night. It was fantastic.
And then we're gonna show them tattoo. So what are you getting a tattoo of? A giant skull today?
Keeping it a little bit more modest. For those that probably don't know, we lost our little Tessie girl before our vacation. So I'm doing a little memoriam to her on my wrist. So
you have to stay tuned.
Yep, stay tuned what that looks like and how detailed and how big it might be.
Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. So did you like brunch?
It was very good.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Would you recommend?
I would absolutely recommend the wake for breakfast and dinner.
Now we're running up to the room real quick. We got just about 35 minutes or so until this one here is getting a tattoo. So keep it right there. Tell you, skulls, right? Skulls and like dragons.
No skulls.
Demons.
It's gonna be cute.
No, she's getting skulls and demons. You're gonna want to stick around to see this. Sign your life away, Colleen.
I know. She was a big flower dog, but I think that one I really like.
First tattoo.
First tattoo.
Got their love story. I just got the whole backdrop on their love story. Oh, that is
that
really
impressive?
sweet. Multiple, like how many video devices can I have out at once? All of them. So fresh in your mind, so how was your first tattoo?
It was
Colleen?
great. It was actually
great?
not painful.
Oh, this is how it starts.
Well, we're back New Year's Eve cruise of 2024. So we'll be, if you guys are back, maybe we'll add to our tattoos. All right, Nate, so outline is done. How are you feeling so far?
I'm feeling great, much better than getting a tattoo 25 years ago. Doesn't really hurt at all, so if you're thinking of doing it, I would highly encourage you to come here to Squid Ink on Virgin Voyages and get yourself, but get here early. So on your first day, make sure to get down here. They typically open around 7. Be here anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes before they open because there's a line and they will book out completely. Here early, and again, you can do some flash, come with the design in mind. Again, all the tattoo artists here are fantastic. They know exactly what they're doing and they'll take great care of you. So, great experience so far. All right, Colleen, you happy with your
tattoos are done? I am so thrilled. So I got some little paws in the stars. So it's Tessie dancing in the stars, watching after us.
Yep, and if you've been watching, I've got a mermaid on a I can't even think, a mermaid on an anchor. So Haley was fantastic. She actually works with her husband Mike, who does piercings. So if you're here on Scarlet Lady, you got to come down, like I said, come down to Squid Ink, get your tattoo. Other than that, I think that's going to do it for our sea day.
I think so. So tonight we got Gumbae, so a little Korean. That's going to be a separate Navigate the Plate. So please stay tuned for that. And
other than that, remember to
navigate your world.